In this video, we will show you how to put apps on home screen Windows 11. I'm a little bit surprised about these questions, but so many people asking for this. Okay, to put your apps or apps on your home screen or desktop screen, as you can see in my desktop screen, there is no shortcut or apps in there. How to put your apps? Actually, we already install so many apps here. Okay, for example, you need just to click start and click all apps and find your apps that you want to put into the desktop or your home screen. Okay, right click of this, for example, and select more and choose open file location. After you choose open file location, you can see there is a shortcut here. Okay, you can right click and in here you can click show more. Okay, show more options here, and you can choose send to desktop. Okay, when you click send to desktop, you can see there is now shortcut or apps in here. You can just click to open the apps. Okay, this is the easiest way how you can add apps on your home screen. Okay, you can also add another like this, for example, and you can click show more options and you can send to the desktop. You can add any apps if you want here. Okay, you can find your apps, okay, in the all apps here and find the apps that you want to add. And if you want to add another like Microsoft Excel, you can right click and choose more and select open file location and right click again and click show more options and choose send to desktop like that. The apps also can be any file inside the folder like here. For example, you can see there is a folder. You can right click and click more and open file location. It is the same, and you can right click and choose show more options, and the last you can send to into the desktop. Now your apps already show on the desktop. Okay, if you didn't like it, you can just select all and you can delete them if you want. And that's all tutorial how to put apps on home screen in Windows 11. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.